Welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. Today I have a human hair wig review for you guys. I bought a wig off of Etsy. This is my first time buying a wig off of Etsy, so I am excited with trying this wig. It was a bit of a hassle trying to get the wig, but I finally got her. If you are interested in getting this wig, I will have the information linked in the description box. But before you purchase, do stay and watch this whole entire video. All right, I'm not sure if I have footage of me showing you the original wig before I did anything to it, but what I did do to it, I did bleach the knots, I did cut the lace, I did add a elastic band to this wig, and the wig came extremely big, so I did sew 2 rows of tracks together so that I can get the wig to fit me more comfortably. It's still a tad big, but it fits me better than when I first got it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put her on, and give you guys the specs on her. All right, honey, I am back with styling her. I didn't do much. With this unit, I didn't want to add a whole bunch of baby hairs. To me, it looks so natural, just like this, and it looks so clean and sleek. And I'm all about the clean and sleek look. I don't want to do all these baby hairs and all of that because I normally don't wear my wigs more than one day because I like to take my wig off at night. Because, I don't know, I can't sleep with a wig on because, I don't know, it just don't work for me. But so with this look, I can just put her on, gel this little baby hair down, and then gel my own baby hair down, and voila, magic. So I really do like the texture of this hair. I did flat iron her, I did wash her, I did bleach the knots, and this is the first time I had a straight wig where I actually really like how it looks on me. The only con that I can say is the shipping took a bit of time, and then the cap size on here is extremely big. I never had a wig where the cap was so freaking big, but I still was able to work it out, and I still like how it looks. When I did buy this wig, it did state that it will take, I was under the impression that it would take a week to get to me. I think it took about almost 3 weeks, and I had to inbox the seller asking her or him how long this was going to take. They told me within 7 days, but it took longer than that. It took a total of almost 3 weeks, but I'm not complaining because I didn't really need it for an event, but if I did, I would have been kind of screwed. So I'm going to jump into the specs on this wig. To me, it is a 150 density. The hair feels so silky. It's like really nice. I'm going to give you guys a length check. Show you guys how it looks in the bag. So I am 5'6", so it's fairly, oh, another thing, for this wig to be 20 inches, it is freaking long, and I am loving that. But overall, I do like this wig. I do see myself wearing this wig for a minute. After getting it to fit tighter on me, like when I rub my hands, I do feel lumps. So let me show you guys. Now, I don't think you can see those lumps, but I can feel those lumps. And I am I don't know, I became a very picky person about that because I'm like, I can feel it. But as long as I can't see those lumps, I'm fine. So I don't have any cons other than that. I will have the link to the seller in the description box. And overall, I don't regret purchasing this wig. I am fairly happy with it. But anyway, I'm going to keep rambling, so I'm going to end this video here. I do like the wig. I do recommend it. If you have a bigger head, this is going to be a win-win for you. If your head is smaller than mine, you're gonna want to be a pro at trying to finesse this wig to get it to fit you, unless you tell the seller to make the wig cap smaller. They didn't ask me, they just sent it to me. So yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching to the end, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.